Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Art Journey with Sri. First of all, I want to give you thank you for your overwhelming response in my previous video which was on finger painting. Today I came with a very exciting tutorial for you. As you all know, the mini canvas painting is very trendy nowadays. But if you want to buy mini canvas from outside, it will be a bit costly. So today I'll show you how you can make your own mini canvas at home by spending only 5 to 6 rupees per canvas. Along with that, I'll show you how you can make display stand for your mini canvas with waste material. The online link from where you can buy your canvas sheet has given in the description box. In my upcoming videos, I'll show you how you can paint this beautiful mini canvas painting with step-by-step tutorial. To get notification of my upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you want to learn any type of painting from me, please mention in the comment box, so I'll try to bring the tutorial for that type of painting for you. So let's go. To make the mini canvas, I have taken a waste cardboard piece. Today I'll show you to make a square mini canvas and a rectangular mini canvas. The size of the square mini canvas is 3.5 inch by 4.5 inch. So I'll mark the board at 4.5 inch and by 3.5 inch. Now I'll mark for the square mini canvas. So for this square mini canvas, I'll make it 4 by 4. So I'll mark 4 inch by 4 inch. Now we have to cut the pieces with the scissor. Now I have cut the cardboard pieces. I have taken a 14 cm by 12 inch canvas sheet. This type of canvas sheet is easily available at local stationery shop. 1 meter canvas sheet cost around 70 to 80 rupees. You can make around 14 to 15 pieces of mini canvas from a 1 meter can cloth. So I'll start. This is the front side of the canvas and this is a pre-primed canvas, so it's ready to use. You can use it directly. So this is the back side of the canvas which is not primed. Now I'll make the rectangular canvas. For that I'll place the cardboard piece and I'll keep almost 2 cm extra cloth all around the canvas. This is 2 cm extra cloth all around the canvas. So this side also I'll keep extra 2 cm. I'll mark it. And I'll cut it. Now I'll place the place the board in the middle of this canvas and I'll mark the outline. Everything I am doing at the back side of the canvas, which is not primed. Now I'll extend this line. Now I'll mark for the square canvas. I'll cut it. Now I'll place the canvas again in the middle of this. I'll place the board again in the middle of this canvas and I'll mark the outline. Again extend this line. Now you have to cut these extra pieces what is there in the corner. Only these corners you have to cut. I have cut the corners of the canvas pieces and I have taken two white paper which is just little smaller than the cardboard pieces. So now I'll start pasting the canvas sheet to the cardboard pieces. For that, this side is little smooth, this side is little rough, so I'll make on this side. First I'll apply some Fevicol on the cardboard piece. Spread it nicely. Now I'll paste the cardboard to the canvas in the middle. I'll do for this rectangular canvas also. Now I'll apply Fevicol on the canvas. Now I'll fold the canvas and I'll paste on the back side of the cardboard board, all the extra part. I'll do the same thing for this square one. Now you can see how beautiful your canvas is, mini canvas is. Now only the finishing part left. For that I'll paste the white paper on the back side of the canvas, then it will be ready. Again I'll apply some Fevicol on the paper. Now you can see how neatly the canvas came out. After drying, you can paint on it. To make the stand, again I have taken one cardboard piece. Now I'll measure on it. First, from this corner I am measuring 10 centimeter. Again mark on 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 9 centimeter. This is full 10 centimeter. This is from here 5 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. From 1 centimeter I'll draw a line of 8 centimeter. And here on 10 centimeter I'll draw a 1.5 centimeter line. This side also I have to mark at 1.5 centimeter. Here at 1 centimeter I'll draw a 1 centimeter line. Here on 9 centimeter I'll draw a 1 centimeter line. Here both sides I'll draw 1 centimeter line. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Now you have to join this point to this point. Now join these 2 points. This side also you have to do like that. Now you have to keep this portion and rest of the portion you have to cut. Now I'll make one small base. For that, first I'll take a 2.5 centimeter line. From this point I'll draw with this protector 60-degree angle. This is 60-degree angle. I'll draw one line here. Make this line also 2.5 centimeter. This is exactly 2.5 centimeter. Now join. So you have to cut this one and this one. I have cut the pieces. Now I'll fold this piece along with this line. Now I'll fix this small piece to the base. For that I am using hot glue gun. has fixed. Now I have made some plaster of Paris glue and water mixture. So I'll apply this mixture on top of this cardboard so it will be hard. I have applied this mixture. Now after drying I'll apply one more coat. Now this plaster of Paris glue and water mixture has dried completely and you can see it's hard enough. Now I'll start painting it. For that I am using burnt sienna. I have done coloring. After drying you can give one more layer of color to get a good finishing. I have done one more before some time. It's already dried. You can see it can hold a canvas easily and it's looking very nice. Thank you for watching.